Gravitational time delay, time dilation, is also caused by refraction. Vossile effect. January 19, 2024. The Shapiro time delay effect, or gravitational time delay effect, is one of the 4 classic solar system tests of general relativity. Radar signals passing near a massive object take slightly longer to travel to a target and longer to return than they would if the mass of the object were not present. The time delay is caused by time dilation, which increases the time it takes light to travel a given distance from the perspective of an outside observer. Throughout this article discussing the time delay, Shapiro uses c as the speed of light and calculates the time delay of the passage of light waves or rays over finite coordinate distance according to a Schwarzschild solution to the Einstein field equations. Wikipedia. And, just like Einstein, completely ignores refraction. Which makes his whole calculation wrong, because he does not understand basic physics, which require to take into consideration the index of refraction, which affects the speed of light and of radio waves, electromagnetic waves in general, each time the wave enters a medium. Which immediately shows that the radio wave will slow down when passing near a massive object, because of the atmosphere which surrounds the massive object, i.e. sun or planet, which causes the radio wave to refract and decrease its speed to v equals cn, where n is the index of refraction of the medium. And, since time is distance over velocity, t equals dv, then if the velocity v decreases the time t decreases. So it will take a longer time for the radio wave to travel the same distance, than if it was traveling at speed c. That's where the time delay comes from. It has absolutely nothing to do with gravity or general relativity. So, just like in the case of gravitational redshift, Einsteinian pseudophysicists have confused an effect produced by refraction with one of gravitation. Which proves once more that general relativity is an absurd pseudoscience based on a complete ignorance of classical physics and refraction. This is just another example of how general relativity is illogically proven by these so-called scientists, who don't know basic refraction physics and confuse a well-known effect of refraction with an imaginary one of gravitation. They just have to know that v equals cn, where n is index of refraction, which is learned in high school, and do the math, which any high school student can do. Instead they use c everywhere, instead of v equals cn, and illogically prove that time is slowed down by gravity, as predicted by general relativity. But all that they prove is Einstein's prediction that 2 things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not sure about the universe.